In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert emojis into Google Docs. Adding emojis to your documents can be a fun and creative way to express emotions, clarify meaning, or simply add some flair to your text. So without further ado, let's dive right into the process. First, we need to navigate to Google Docs. Open your preferred web browser and type in Google Docs, or simply follow your usual method to get there. Once Google Docs is open, you'll see a range of options. You'll either create a new document or open an existing one where you want to add your emojis. Click on the document you'd like to work with, and we'll move on to the next step. With your document open, direct your attention to the menu at the top of the page. You'll see various options like File, Edit, and so on. We need to focus on the Insert option. Click on Insert and a drop-down menu will appear. This is where you can add elements to your document, including emojis. After clicking on Insert, hover over the Symbols option in the drop-down menu. When you move your cursor to Symbols, an additional menu will appear and you'll see the Emoji option. Go ahead and click on Emoji. Once you click on emoji, a sidebar with a plethora of emojis will pop up. Here's the fun part. You can scroll through the options or even search for specific emojis that suit your needs. Find an emoji you like and click on it. This will insert the emoji directly into your Google Doc at the location of your cursor. It's as simple as that. Your emoji is now in your document. If you want even more variety, there's another method you can explore. Head over to emojipedia.org. This is a fantastic resource that provides a comprehensive library of emojis. Browse through Emojipedia to find an emoji you like. Once you found the perfect one, simply copy it and go back to your Google Doc. Place your cursor where you'd like the emoji to appear, then paste it into your document. After inserting your emoji, you might want to adjust its size to fit your document style. This can be easily done by clicking on the emoji you've inserted. Small boxes should appear around it. Simply drag these boxes to resize the emoji to your liking. And there you have it. You now know how to insert and customize emojis within your Google Docs. This simple method can add a whole new dimension to the way you communicate through your documents. Give it a try and express yourself in fun, new ways. Thanks for following along, and happy emoji inserting.